first, we must sellotape here. Let's catch that nicely. So. Go. Like this. There's a lot here. So let's start this then. So we have a piece from the mount. You have your power cable. This. Have another piece of the stand, I think. Another piece, which we'll just put there. And this final piece here. Yes. Oh, it's a VGA cable. So you have your safety instructions as well. So this. So in this you have your CD guide, your quick start guide, safety instructions as well. Oh, that's upside down. Why is it printed upside down? BENQ, we will have some questions. Oh, yeah, it's like product information in all the languages. And now, here we have the monitor itself. And there is the wow! That's nice. Not sure if you can see here, but it's completely bezel-less. That's nice. So, in this video I might as well construct the stand. So for here, get this bit, slot it in straight there, and for the base, lift the screw up, this, slide in the monitor, screw it back in, slowly, here, screwed in place. So now, stand like this, and this is the complete product unboxed.